The city of Boulder, Colorado, unanimously passing one of the strictest gun control legislations in the country, banning assault rifles, high-capacity magazines, and bump stocks.
But now one pro-Second Amendment rights group is fighting back, filing a lawsuit against the city and its city council members.
The president of Mountain States Legal Foundation, William Perry Pendley, filed the suit. He joins us now. Perry, good morning. Thank you for joining us. Why don't you give us the backstory to this?
Hey, absolutely. Glad to. Well, it's in the wake, allegedly, of the Parkland shootings in Florida, which we know why they happened. But Boulder, it's engaged in some virtue signaling and some vice shaming and some sloganeering past this really rather useless legislation that criminalizes law-abiding people in the city of Boulder. And so we filed a lawsuit, 72-page lawsuit we filed Wednesday evening. It's unconstitutional for a variety of reasons. It violates the Colorado Constitution. It violates Colorado law. And we hope for a speedy resolution to remove the fear from law-abiding gun owners in Boulder.
Yeah, here's a look at Ordinance 8245 right here. It bans the sale and possession of assault weapons, high-capacity magazines, bump stock devices, and if you had one before, prior ownership of assault weapons would require it either be surrendered, destroyed, or registered, I guess. Yeah. If you register, are you still allowed to keep it? I mean, how does that work?
Well, Rob, it's crazy. Say, for example, you know the AR-15. The AR-15 is legal in Boulder, yeah, unless I put a pistol grip on it to hold it more securely, or unless I'm 6'5", my wife is 5'4". With our AR-15, if we have an adjustable stock on it, that makes it an assault rifle. If I put a foregrip on it, that makes it an assault rifle. So it's a trap for the unwary. And if I have an AR-15 in my gun safe, and I also have a foregrip in my gun safe, and I'm in Boulder, they can come in and arrest me for having that foregrip because I could put it on the AR-15.
Perry,
that's how crazy it is.
Do you see a compromise to this situation?
Oh, absolutely not. I don't see a compromise. This is not Boulder's business. This is the job of Congress. This is the job of the alcohol, tobacco, firearms. This is the job of somebody else. It's not the job of the city of Boulder to come in and say what is legal and what is not legal in Boulder and criminalize conduct that's legal in Boulder County, in Colorado, and all across the country. That's what Boulder is doing, is making criminals out of law-abiding citizens.
Let me get in real quick and just ask you, I mean, obviously the other side, which is very passionate about this, there's a lot of people in this country that say, why do you need bump stocks? Why do people need an AR-15? How do you answer that if you can do it fast?
I can do it fast. An AR-15 is a very effective self-defense weapon for a small person, an older person, an infirm person, and so is a Mossberg shotgun. Those are illegal if they've got the foregrip, the pistol grip, and those equipment. Boulder's telling people they don't have the unalienable, natural, and fundamental right to defend themselves in their homes.
Okay.
Thank you very much. We appreciate your time this morning.
My pleasure.